Hey friends, are you ready? Welcome to my channel, Fun Strawberry.
Construction vehicle names: excavator, bulldozer, black hole loader, drum truck, crane, motor grader, concrete mixer truck, forklift, skid steer loader, road roller, road sweeper, scraper, tower crane, wheel driver, compactor, hydraulic hammer, boom lift, material handler, dozer blade, demolition hammer, digger, picker and loader, road grader. Thanks for watching, kids. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.